So hello students, today is our second lecture. We are going to see today about applications and real world examples of NLP. So first application is machine translation, means automatically translating text from one language to another. Machine translation itself means converting text from one language into another while preserving meaning and context. We have to preserve the meaning and context, and it will automatically translate from one language to another is nothing but machine translation. For example, Google Translate, it translates the English text into Hindi, Marathi or anything. Second point is sentiment analysis, means determining the emotional tone, positive, negative, neutral of the text. We can also say that NLP techniques analyze the text to identify the emotions, opinions, and attitudes of people. Businesses use it to understand the customer satisfaction and public opinion. For example, we can take as like for sentiment analysis, companies analyze the customer reviews to check if feedback is positive or negative. For example, Amazon reviews, right? So, next application is chatbots and virtual assistant. Means it understands the user queries and respond automatically, reducing the human effort. For example, we can take Siri, Alexa, customer support bots. In this, we can also say ChatGPT. When a person searches something on ChatGPT, it will respond automatically, reducing the human effort. This is nothing but the chatbots and virtual assistant works. Next is text summarization. Creates short summaries from long documents or articles to save time. For example, we can take news apps giving highlights. There are big passages, paragraphs. So what text summarization will do, it will reduce into 2 to 3 highlights so that a user will not have the effort to read the whole passage or paragraph. It will save the time of the user. Next point is speech recognition. Converts the spoken words language into text from hands-free and accessibility features. What does speech recognition means? It will convert the spoken words into text and then it will give the result. For example, Google voice typing. User will speak something and it will convert into text. By speech recognition, it is time saving. Instead of typing, just the user will search by voice. And also, the person or users who are unable to type, those can use this speech recognition application. It will be helpful for them. Next is spam detection, identifying the unwanted malicious messages. For example, spam or not spam. Spam detection itself means if there is an unwanted thing the user don't want, it will go in the spam. And if it is important, it will go in the not spam category. For example, most popularly, the spam detection is saw in Gmail spam filter. Like if the message is spam, it will go directly in the spam box, and it is not spam, it will stay in all inboxes. Next is SMS spam filter. Like promotional messages or unwanted messages are directly blocked in SMS spam filter in our phones or messengers. So it is nothing but spam detection. Next point is named entity recognition. It is also called as NER, means identifying the names, place, organization, dates, and other entities in the text. For example, we can take to understand named entity recognition is resume screening software. Many companies, what they do, they will add the contents in their software, like which extracts the name, skills from the resume, which are similar to match to the companies. Okay, so in this way, the fast screening of the resume will happen, and companies will not waste their time in one by one scanning the resume. Instead, it will help the companies to hire the employees very fast. If there are thousands of candidates applying for the job, companies won't be able to go through all the resumes. So instead of that, the software is recognized as resume shortlisting ATS friendly, and that software has the named entity recognition, which will identify the entities in the text which will match to the company's description. So it is the first example of resume screening software. Next is financial news analytics. For example, it will extract companies' names and events for stock prediction. So hope you understood the applications. I have covered 6-7 applications of NLP with examples. So hope you understand this. In next lecture we will see linguistic fundamentals used in NLP.